Hello friends, welcome to datamaking.com. In this video I am going to give you overview of Spark Streaming. Spark Streaming is another module in the Spark framework which is used to build scalable fault tolerant streaming application. Okay, so and data can be injected from various live stream sources, example Kafka, Flume and Twitter, even any distributed file system like HDFS, S3. So it gets a live stream and generates a D stream. D stream is nothing but a discretized stream. Okay, D stream is actually sequence of RDDs. So once it get the live data from these sources, it generate a D stream and give it to Spark application, which process the data. So once we process the data, the aggregation or summarization data can be again stored into any databases or HDFS or dashboards. So basically how the internally it works is, Spark Streaming receives a live input from any data stream and divides into batches based on the batch interval, which can be specified during the Spark Streaming when you creating the Spark Streaming context. Okay, so you get the as per the second diagram, you get in stream input data stream and you make as a batched input data, okay, using Spark Streaming, and give it to Spark Engine, which will process your data and give the final result. Okay, and in this video I am going to give you a quick example, small example, how can you connect like similar like connecting to this live stream. I am going to get data, live data from the socket, network socket actually. So I am using here Netcat as a source, stream source, and I am going to consume the data, and I will be listening on the particular machine. From here I am using localhost and the port number 9999. So I'll get the data, stream data from this port, okay, and I'll get the D stream and I'll do the word count program. When I receive the stream data, based on the interval I specified in the Spark Streaming context, I'll process the data and generate the word count program. So let me show you the program which I done using this example. So this is my word count program in Spark Streaming. So first, if you want to create a Spark context, okay, streaming context, you need a Spark configuration. You have to provide the master URL. Okay, here I am using a local machine as master, so I have to provide a local, and I am running with a 2 thread. Okay, so I will be giving input as local of 2, and then once I create this streaming context, and I am specifying 5 seconds. So each 5 seconds, whatever the data I get, I am going to process the data. Okay, that this is the batch interval. I set it on the Spark Streaming context. So using streaming context, I am creating a D stream. Okay, by connecting to the localhost and 9999 port. So whenever I send data through Netcat to this port number, I receive the data and I will generate the D stream. So here lines is the D stream. So like D stream is another abstraction in the Spark Streaming, like RDD. So in RDD you can do transmission and action. Similar, most of the API available in the RDD also available in D stream. So you can do transmission on dstream. When you do transformation on dstream, you get a new dstream, and you can do output operation to save the data or you display the data. Okay, so here I am once I get the dstream, I am applying a transformation count flat map, which will take each line and tokenize the words and give the word. Okay, then I am using map function to iterate each element and assign each word with count numeric value 1, and I am applying the reduce transformation to group each word and count its value. So I'll get each word occurrence with how many number of occurrence it is, then the count word with the count. Then I am printing it in the console. Okay, so I am starting the Spark context. So then I am waiting. So it will wait until the until I terminate the application. It will be keep running and it will be listening in this port to get the live stream data. So let me run this program. Okay, to run this program, before running, I already started this netcat. Let me close it, and again, so to run netcat, you have to provide in Linux. I am using Ubuntu. I am going to use NC and -LK, and I have to provide the port number. Okay, so then I started the netcat. Let me run my program, Spark streaming program. I am using Eclipse, and I am going to run it as a Scala program here. I am going to run it as Scala application. So I have developed this Spark streaming code using Scala. This is the same example which we saw in the programming Spark streaming a link from the Apache Spark website. You can take this example from here and you can run it. So I ran this. So each 5 seconds it will keep displaying the output. Okay, so let me run here. Hello, how are you? Ram. When I submit this live stream, so it has done the word count. So it wait for 5 seconds and it retrieve the live stream until the 5 seconds, and it will do word count for this. So 2 occurrence. How is 2 occurrence? You is 1 occurrence, and hello is 1 occurrence. Ram is 1 occurrence. So a similar way you can get the live stream from these live stream data sources, and you could do processing using Spark streaming. And also it gives you facility to run this machine learning algorithms and graph processing algorithms on your live stream data. Even Spark SQL you can use in the Spark streaming. Thank you very much. If you want more information, please log on to datamaking.com. Thank you.